Ayan. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I'm Ashley Rivera, aka Petra Mahalimuya, and I am your 2026 White Castle Calendar Girl! Oh! Oh, di ba? Ang ganda! Oh my God, may kasama pang kamay, di ba? Oh, thumbs up! Ba't parang hindi kayo natutuwa
Ito
sa
talaga yun?
ako?
Ito talaga yun?
Ayaw mo maniwala?
Pero naniniwala ako, pero ito talaga?
Parang makita nila na talagang fun. Ay, funny siya. Funny girl talaga siya, no? Pinanindigan niya.
Sige, ano yung ibig sabihin ng thumbs up mo?
2 thumbs up. I think that's parang kung sa stars, diba?
Ito,
5
nagulat
stars.
ka na, ano siya, no? Ito, anong reaction mo sa kabayo na to?
Sobrang ecstatic. Hindi, joke lang. Baka maniwala kayo, hindi joke lang yan.
Hindi yan yun.
Hindi yan yun.
Okay, dahil
Hindi yan.
yan, update to tayo ng...
Okay.
Kasi excited ako makita yung January all the way. So, Ashley, take it away. Pakilala mo yung sarili mo ng pasabog.
Oh, take 2 direct. Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera, aka Petra Mahalimuya, and I am your 2026 White Castle Calendar Girl!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, nandito na po, siyempre, tamang-tama lang na ating i-review to. Sabay-sabay to, hindi ulit kakamali, no? Alright, can I please have a countdown with you guys as well? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ladies and gentlemen, eto po ang ilan sa mga litrato ng ating White Castle Whiskey 2026 Calendar Girls. Take photos, take videos, and of course, we encourage everyone to please post it online. This is an amazing event. Again, a milestone for one of our most favorite social media darlings and actresses in the industry. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that's our official 2026 calendar. It is officially out in the public, and of course, we'd like to impart a short message to everyone in there. Ash, we'd like to call back here. Ash, syempre, kailangan niya magpasalamat at mag-thank you sa lahat ng narito at makikita niya syempre ang opisyal ng photos ng kanyang White Castle calendar.